It's another Rocky Mountain rendezvous ready to unfold this evening on ESPN+. The match on the marquee, a Jägermeister Cup dust-up between Union Omaha and Northern Colorado Hailstorm. Attack and leading the line, Ethan Horde trying to find his shooting boots again. Goals have dried up for him in the last couple games. For Dom Casciato on the opposite side of the line. A little bit of an interesting tactical look today as it is presented as a 4-4-2. A lot of scoring punch in that midfield with Dolabella. Match day 6 in the Jägermeister Cup. Happy to have you along with us. As a center official today, Edson Carvajal sends us underway from in the Rockies. It's an important one in Group 3. Northern Colorado, again, without Bruno Rendon, without a couple other key figures in the team today. Johnny Fenwick, the captain, still out with injury. A little bit of a shuffled team trying to make some magic happen and secure their place virtually in the next round of this competition. No Coco again. Skyscraping ball in towards, it looks like, down there running in for that one, Ethan Horde. On to Billy King! And Billy King arrives in a blur. It all turns blue. The Scotsman in style latches on and lashes it by the goalkeeper, Wallace Lapsley. Just a bobble at the back from Union Omaha. Joe Gallardo's ball. It's well placed. Just nodded away. It's Norty. Had it in the crosshairs. Couldn't keep it down. Noko grab hold. King. That's clever. Horde. King providing himself in support. It's Ethan Horde. It just fell nicely for him. You see he's walking around with a little bit of a hobble. But able to come out and try and claim one without any real jeopardy because of the whistle. Clutched by Horde. Yamazaki applying the pressure into the center. Falling for King. Dietrich arriving. Now it's Ethan Horde. Lashed towards goal, but ultimately biteless as Wallace Lapsley makes another stop. Garcia goading him away. And Pilford and Horde swerving away, skilling by tackles. Ethan Horde, runners arriving. It's Billy King in support. King, one-on-one, what a save! The rebound, that's taken away. Luis Dos Santos, Steven Dos Santos just wriggling wide. Brandon Knapp catapulted into the area. Skimming header still there. Norty flash towards goal and just whiskers wide. Looking for Dolabella. And it just flops out of play. And half number 1 goes into the books. Oprah. True to his name, a little bit lucky there. Able to have that ball deflect right back to him. What a touch that is from Ethan Horde. Putting the ball to sleep, feathering wide. It's Billy King. Roping away down the near touch line. King presenting himself as Yamazaki. Got room to cross. Angles in, good ball, back post. My word, was it there. As Union Omaha thrust in. Knocked around and knocked in. Breck Evans, Johnny on the spot. And it's a virtual gift in the 69th. A nice moment for Breck Evans, his first goal of the year. And it just falls perfectly. Anytime as a defender the ball comes across the 6 on a corner kick, it's usually not a good thing. And Evans just works in at the back. Hurdled in, falling nicely, collision in the box. No whistle to come. Bawa fizzing one in, and Sheely holds on. Rodriguez with skill, charisma. Now Lagos Kunga driving through tackle. Still Kunga. Still Lagos Kunga! What a save! Russell Sheely makes himself big. That must feel for Russell Sheely. Coming in a big spot, replacing Lalo Delgado. Still they come. It's Snyder. And bent it the wrong direction. That's it.